And this question it is given that the slab consists of two layers of different materials of same thickness and having thermal conductivities K1 and K2 are connected in series. The equivalent thermal conductivity of slab is. So we know that we can use this equation for equivalent thermal conductivity, that is L1 plus L2 divided by L1 by K1 plus L2 divided by K2. So a slab consists of two layers of different material of same thickness and having thermal conductivities K1 and K2. So they are saying that thickness is same, length is same, area of cross section is same. So we can just write it as it is L1 and L2 are L. So it is L plus L divided by L by K1 plus L divided by K2. Or you can write this as 2L divided by L into 1 by K1 plus 1 divided by K2. So we can cancel this L and this L over here. So we can write this as 2 divided by, if I am taking this K1 K2 as LCM, we can write this as K2 plus K1, or we can write this K1 K2 in the numerator. So we can write 2 K1 K2 divided by K1 plus K2 is a value of K equivalent, or the value of equivalent thermal conductivity.